Okay, here is Olivine with her walking harness. It's a little hard for me to videotape it here and do it at the same time. And back up. This is pretty much the greatest invention ever. Hi. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Whoop. Stand back up. There you go. Whoop. Are you tiring out? Trying to dance and walk? Let's get over here to the carpet. There you go, that's better. It's not so slippery. It's the slippery floors doing you in. There we go. To the activity table. Wave hi. Blue. Say mama. Olivine. Hi, Freckles. Say mama. Mama. All right, do your other trick then. Dance, 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 dance. Woo! Okay, bye-bye, camera.